As a director of the School of Fashion and the Arts, do you think Filipino moms are more confident now when it comes to fashion?
As a designer and mom, I think we should always try something new. We should always be open to push our boundaries. But I know that it can be difficult because there's so many things we need to juggle.
What advice can you give these women to help expand their fashion horizons?
When we're busy, I know that it's so easy to fall into a routine, to wear the same things over and over again. But part of loving ourselves is treating ourselves to a new outfit sometimes and experimenting with fashion. Organization is key to help us do everything we need to do for our family, our husband, our children, and work. And of course, having tools to help us multitask is really helpful.
Is caring for your clothes something you find challenging as someone who is always on the go?
It definitely is. Running a global brand is not easy and it takes a lot of time. I'm so excited to have the Electrolux UltimateCare 900 front-load washing machine. It's Wi-Fi connected, so I can remotely control my appliance and receive notifications on the go, whether I'm in the design studio or a trade show in Paris. Dare to wash with Electrolux.